In a fast and rapidly changing world full of numerous business opportunities and threats in equal measure, you need a steady, reliable, and resourceful friend. We are that friend. We are totally committed to meeting our customers' needs. When our customers grow, we grow. We believe each of our customers is unique and special, and so we treat them as such. Our customers are diverse and widespread, yet we pay special attention to each of their needs, delivering distinctive service to all. Premium Bank, you are better off with us.